Hi, this is Miss Jones, and the second video on what I'm about to show you, because the first video I uploaded to YouTube had a lot of interference when I went live. So here I go with my camera, and I'm going to recap the wagon that I made a while back and uploaded it to my channel, step-by-step instructions. And it's made from a basket and a selfie stick and some cardboard for the wheels wrapped in twine, all 100% Dollar Tree. Now this wagon is very versatile for a mom or a father, and I used it for a fairy garden. Let's see if I can get it out. Fairy garden is just on a platform, so I can remove it. And here we go. Now you could place it on your kitchen table and add napkins, silverware. If you go on a picnic, bring it along for a decoration. You can place a plant in it and take it to the hospital. Somebody is just recovering from illness in the hospital or is homebound and you'd like to bring them a fresh plant, well, stick it in this cute little Dollar Tree wagon, and there you go. They can replant the plant later and then have something cute and adorable to use for other things. Now I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to show you the bottom. The dowels are from Dollar Tree. Everything's from Dollar Tree, but when I glued the dowels on the bottom, I did add extra burlap across the bottom to hold the dowels in place. So when you do make something like this, make sure you enforce it on the bottom, especially if you're going to place something in the inside with the weight. Okay? Just I weaved in and out twine just to decorate it and give it kind of like a farmhouse style, but you know, it could be for a man or for a woman. And like I said, I made it with my fairy garden, and then I use extra spools, cardboard spools, to hold it up so I can remove it if I get tired of it. Let's see, this goes this way. The sign I made goes in the back. So we put this down, place it back in the wagon, and I would like to show you what I made today. It is a part 2 from the monkey business I made in February for Valentine's Day. And it is with the wagon concept. Monkey business number 2, made by Miss Jones. And here it is. I had a leftover monkey from Valentine's Day. When I was in Dollar Tree purchasing the flowers, I seen monkeys for sale, but they are brown and tan in color, and they are smaller. You can purchase the monkey even right now, but it would be a different color than this monkey, and it would be a different size. Well, let me spin it around and show you. The monkey's legs are dangling in the front, sitting up on some foam that I covered in burlap. It's pink, and I used the leftover ribbon spool for the hat and the burlap. Now the monkey does have a dowel that goes from the top of the head down through the body through the foam. That's why it won't knock over. And it looks like he's holding up the stick. Isn't that cute? Let's spin it around. And the wheels this time are not cardboard. They came from the lids of Pringle cans. So I started to save them when I made the first wagon, and I made the wheels out of Pringle can lids. Everything you see here is 100% Dollar Tree. Now, I picked up this morning these cute little flowered lights. They come in a 2-pack. In fact, the package they come in is this container, in which I repurposed for the candy compartment on this cute little Monkey Business 2 project. Now, the monkey reminds me of a train conductor. And when I seen this light up, I thought, well, there you go. This will be a nice addition to this, because every time we have to stop for the train, we see the red lights. And this flower, being that it's the red rose, I'm thinking is why it blinks red. But let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, don't tell me it's not working. Just a minute. I was going to say, I just had it working. There it goes. Alright. Placing it in with the candy. And there it is. So as it gets darker today, that light's really going to shine bright. But the monkey's still going to be smiling. I added a cute little beauty mark and some longer eyelashes, making this a perfect gift for Mom on Mother's Day. To a wonderful mother. See, now I cut that off a card I found at Dollar Tree. They have some really pretty Mother's Day cards right now. I seen one with a unicorn on the front of it, and I thought, oh boy, I'd like to get the card just to cut that unicorn out, because I know I could reuse that decoration. I can't draw unicorns, but I would love to take it off that card. But I didn't pick it up. And I picked up some yellow carnations and some yellow cattails. A butterfly, which is on a dowel. It's a clip. I just clipped it on another dowel. And the monkey does have a dowel. If I mentioned it, I'm sorry, I can't remember. But if the monkey has a dowel to keep it up, the dowel starts up here and goes all the way through the body. It will never fall over. Now those are longer dowels that I purchased from Walmart. They're like $1.99 a pack. And I used that to hold the monkey up. The other monkeys at the store right now are smaller, so you can use the Dollar Tree dowels to hold that monkey up. Once again, thank you for stopping in. I had to do this video again because the first video on the YouTube channel is not coming in very clearly, so I wanted to show you what you can do. Something different. And like I said, if you don't want to use fake flowers, place a real plant inside this. If you don't want to add candy, place a new book in the side of the wagon to give to Mom. She loves to read, then give her a book. But this is the basic idea for Monkey Business number 2. Be sure to see the step-by-step of the wagon. I will try to link it into this video. I will see you on Dollar Tree Crafts and Ideas and Legacy's Little Luxuries on Facebook. Now, anything I upload on my YouTube channel is available as a class if you would like to learn something different and learn how to make Monkey Business number 1 or Monkey Business number 2 or even the caddy that I made. Anything you see on my YouTube channel, I can show you in a class. I will provide the materials and the instructions and help you through making whatever project you would like. I don't know the cost because it depends on what project you want to learn. I have over 100 of them on my channel. Yes, over 100. I'm slowing down on making the Dollar Tree crafts to about once a week right now. I was making at least 3 or 4 a week for a while. And I'm slowing down because summer's coming and I'm going to be out in the yard getting my yard ready. And I just hope that Jack Frost will leave Michigan and allow Mother Nature to do her thing. I want to send my blessings out to you and your family. Thank you for stopping in. And I hope to see you on Facebook, because I am also sponsoring a contest on Facebook at DollarTree Crafts and Ideas. If you want to learn more, join the group. All you have to do is answer a question, and 9 times out of 10, we will accept you. I think this is really stinking cute. Subscribe. Share. Bless. Miss Jones, artist.